It is now time for an indicator and horn sound test here with the 2022 Mercedes AMG GT53 4-door, that's a long name, indicator first. Same old Benz indicator. Now for the horn sound, here we go. Oh yeah. Definitely solid. Here are all the horn sounds that I tested in 2021. I did the same video in 2020, so if you want to hear more horn sounds, check that one out. And this year, I also included indicator sounds. And if this happens to be one of my first videos that you're watching, what's up? My name is Omar. I test drive and review new cars. So if you enjoy cars, hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. And I don't make promises that I can't keep. All right, let's get into the horn sounds of 2021. It's time for an indicator and horn sound test here with the 2022 Alpena B8. Indicator first. It's a BMW indicator. And now for the horn sound. Wouldn't it be awesome if Alpena switched out the horn sound for their own unique horn sound, but nope. Let's do a quick indicator and horn sound test on the 2021 Bentley Bentayga V8 indicator first. Pretty nice. And now for the horn sound. 2021 Aston Martin DBX indicator first. Pretty weird indicator, to be honest. And now for the horn sound. Oh yeah, very solid. 2021 Mercedes-Benz S-Class indicator first. Pretty Benz. Now for the horn sound. Oh my God. So much authority. Love it. 2022 BMW M5 CS indicator first. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah, pretty solid. 2021 Audi RS7 indicator first. Pretty Audi. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah. 2021 Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 indicator first. Sounds so luxurious, but it's probably the same Mercedes-Benz indicator and I'm just overplaying it. And now for the horn sound, let's hear how that sounds. So luxurious. 2022 Honda Civic indicator first. Now for the horn sound, I'm not expecting much at all because this is a Civic. And I was right. Absolutely right. Wow. Come on, can't we get beefier horns on Civics and compact sedans in general? Indicator first. And the horn sound. Pretty solid. 2021 Polestar 2 indicator first. A very, very weird indicator. Never heard anything like that before. Not even Volvos have that kind of indicator. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah. Let's do an indicator and horn sound test here on the 2021 Volkswagen ID4 indicator first. Pretty German. And hear the horn sound. Kind of exactly like how I expected it to sound. 2021 Lexus LC 500 convertible. Pretty solid. 2021 Ford Bronco indicator first. Same old Ford indicator. Now for the horn sound. Pretty freaking solid. 2021 Ford Bronco Sport indicator first. And the horn sound. Oh, not pretty Bronco-ish at all. Not sure if I like it. 2022 Subaru BRZ indicator first. Now for the horn sound. Just like I expected it to be. Nothing that has that much authority. 2021 BMW M3 indicator first. Now for the horn sound. Pretty solid. 2022 Audi S3 indicator first. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah. 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer indicator first. Sounds like the indicator is like hopping or skipping. Kind of weird. Horn sound. Oh yeah. Very solid indeed. 2022 Toyota Tundra indicator first. Pretty Okay indicator, not that exciting. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah, that's nice. 2022 Genesis GV70 indicator first. Same old Hyundai, Genesis, and Kia indicator. Now for the horn sound. I like it a lot. 2022 Nissan Pathfinder indicator first. Pretty nice and gentle. Now for the horn sound. Pretty solid indeed. I like it. 2022 Kia Carnival indicator first. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah, a lot of authority for when you're driving down the road with a minivan. Pretty awesome. 2021 Land Rover Defender indicator first. And now for the horn sound. Very solid. Love this car. SUV. 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 indicator first. Pretty Jeep. And now for the horn sound, you got to lower your window from right there. Oh yeah, pretty solid. I like it a lot. 2021 Ram TRX. Then the horn sound. 2021 Cadillac Escalade first, the indicator. Pretty American. And now for the horn. 2021 Jaguar F-Pace SVR indicator first. Pretty nice and gentle actually. And now for the horn sound. I like it. 2022 Genesis G70 indicator first. Now for the horn sound. Oh, very nice. 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L indicator first. Now for the horn sound, let me just lower my window. Oh yeah. 2021 Acura TLX Type S indicator first. Pretty JDM right there. Now for the horn sound. 2021 Lexus LS 500 indicator first. And now for the horn sound. Oh yeah, didn't expect anything less than that. 2021 Mercedes AMG E63 Wagon indicator first. And now for the horn sound. Pretty solid. Very, very solid indeed. 2021 Hyundai Sonata N-Line indicator first. Really cool. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah, very solid. Very N-Line. 2021 Ford F-150 indicator first. Pretty Ford. And now the horn sound. I don't expect anything boring. Of course not. 2021 Mercedes AMG GLS 63 first, the indicator. Pretty Mercedes right there. And now for the horn sound. Pretty bossy as expected. 2022 Nissan Frontier indicator first. Pretty simple indicator. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah, and this horn is very easy to press. You don't have to like push at all. 2021 Volkswagen Arteon indicator first. Pretty V-dub for sure. Now for the horn sound. Ooh, pretty solid. I like it. 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz indicator first. Now for the horn sound. 2021 Toyota Camry TRD indicator first. Definitely pretty Toyota-ish. Now for the horn sound. There's some people in the park that I'm going to piss off right now, so here we go. Not bad at all. 2022 Honda CRV Hybrid indicator first. Now for the horn sound, let me just lower my window a little bit. 2021 Infiniti QX55 indicator first. Nothing too crazy. Horn sound, let's hear it. Ooh, pretty solid. 2021 Kia Sorento indicator first. And now for the horn sound. Very nice. 2021 GMC Yukon Denali indicator first. And now for the horn sound. 2021 Audi RS6 Avant indicator first. Not bad. And now for the horn test. 2021 Kia K5 GT indicator first. And now for the horn sound. I do have another recommendation, Kia. This steering wheel looks awesome, but this plastic part here kind of takes away from the otherwise gorgeous steering wheel. So in the next generation or next model year, maybe consider upgrading that. 2021 Hyundai Veloster N indicator first. And now for the horn sound. I'm not expecting much at all. And I was right. This is terrible. 2022 Acura MDX indicator first. And now for the horn sound. Pretty solid. Let's hear the horn sound of the 2021 Genesis GV80. Pretty nice. Here's how the horn sounds on the 2021 Volvo S90. Pretty nice. Let's hear how the horn sounds on the 2021 Genesis G80. Definitely solid. Let's hear how the horn sounds on the 2021 Lexus IS. Let's hear how the horn sounds on the X7 M50i. Didn't expect anything less. 2021 Volvo XC60 T8 Recharge indicator first. Pretty nice. Now for the horn sound. Oh yeah. Last but not least, let's hear how the horn sounds on the 2021 Mazda 3 2.5 Turbo. Oh wow, I did not expect that. I expected it to be very corny and cheap sounding, but that's really nice.